That's my P&L for the day, guys. $8. What can I buy with that? I don't know. It's Friday. I got no weekend money. Let's talk about this Nvidia one, guys, because honestly I had no reason to get out this QQQ one. As soon as you get a 5-minute candle close below, enter on this retest here. The 1 hour time frame is also holding this EMA, and plus it's breaking out this little pattern. Good morning, my fellow traders. Happy Friday, February 21st. Already past Valentine's Day, and this year is already zooming, guys, so I love it. But anyways, 4 minutes before the market opens, and we're currently just looking at some stocks. We do see Nvidia here already breaking out of this plan that we posted last night in the Discord. So if you're not in the Discord, guys, it's free. Literally just go on my website, join it, and every single day we post trade ideas in the Discord tabs, and you guys already know the deal, man. So anyways, what we're looking at today, we're looking at some Nvidia, we're looking at some Amazon, which you guys can already see. Nvidia looks self-explanatory, don't even need to speak on it. As well as looking at some SPY here a little bit, kind of just in the middle of nowhere. I do not recommend trading this chop. As you guys can see, for the past week since last Friday, we kind of just been ranging around this area, and it's because we've been breaking all-time highs. So all-time highs is way up here, and I gotta delete this level here. But so yesterday I didn't post a video, and even Monday's video I did not post as well because I'm very busy still moving out. I still barely got some of my stuff here. Gonna go get my desk probably today, so we'll even see if this video even gets posted. But yesterday I did take a loss on Apple. I took one trade while I was at a passport interview, or passport, whatever they call it, when you go get your passport application. I was literally in an Apple trade, but I was holding it more longer than I should have, to be honest. I held it for over 20% L, cut it at $50 loss because I was in for about 240, 250 ish. So I took a loss in that one, and I was busy throughout the rest of the day grabbing my stuff. So if you're in the Discord or on my Instagram, you guys will see I always post my P&L. Let's see how today acts. Market opens in about 30 seconds, and of course we catch anything or live trade it, and I'll see. Okay, guys, so let's go over the two trades that I just took. Unfortunately, I did not get to live record them since I don't have my setup, and my computer just cannot handle. It's too much going on. I got all these screens running, all these EMAs on my chart. It just cannot handle it. But anyways, very simply, I took puts on QQ below pre-market low, and before we even get into it, let's show you guys my P&L so you guys know I'm not just making up random shit. Look at my P&L. I'm only up $8. What can I buy with that? I gotta go to the dollar menu and talk about and buy like 4 things. That's nothing for my lunch today. So I took a QQQ put off pre-market low, which I'm gonna show you guys here real soon, and it was a very nice trade, 40% banker off a $200 entry. Then I literally turned around and gave money back and said, here you go, Nvidia, here's my money. Gave them $56 up front for a quick in and out losing trade. Let's talk about this Nvidia one, guys, because honestly I had no reason to get out this QQQ one, because I had no reason to get out, to be honest. Now the trade that I was looking at is pre-market low. You guys can see this is pre-market low, and pre-market low is very simple. It's just very simply pre-market's lowest point, pre-market low. So as soon as you get a 5-minute candle close below, I decided to trade 0 days to expiration. And you guys already know I'm usually not somebody that trades 0 days to expiration now as of lately, but today I decided to do it. It's Friday. I have a small account on this new account, and I decided just to trade it since I only have $500. Enter some QQQ puts here for $80, or no, $200 next day expirations. As soon as you get a 5-minute candle close below, enter on this retest here of this pre-market low level. Because guys, very simply, candle closes below, even if it's just 1 cent below, it doesn't necessarily matter. Just literally a candle close below, then get the retest as close as you can to that resistance, or as close as you can. Literally news came in, drops the whole dollar, and that's where I collect my quick 40% banger. $64 trade on this one. And looking back at the trade, guys, I had no reason to exit it, but whole market was bouncing here for a quick minute, so I'm like thinking, damn, are we gonna rock it back up? Even though I sold here, to be honest, looking back at the trade, hindsight in my favor, of course, I had no reason to exit, because look at all we did was come to retest this general resistance area, which was at one point a support and which was 1 point pre-market low. Ends up breaking down below, get the break and retest entry, and then look at this, guys, perfect candle closure below, which somebody had asked me what happens when the price consolidates below. That's actually perfect. That just means price wants to stay below. Now if it consolidates and breaks back above, breaks back below, that's annoying. Don't even trade that shit. Get out of there. In this case, literally holds below, and guys, look at that nice drop. These contracts went crazy. Then after I made a nice gain, coulda, woulda, shoulda held a little longer, made a nice 40%. So I'm like, all right, I'm in and out. I just turn around and give money to Nvidia. Guys, I enter here. And if you guys remember, the reason why I'm even eyeing this trade in the first place is because of this right here. The 1 hour time frame is also holding this EMA, and plus it's breaking out this little pattern. And of course, patterns aren't necessarily my favorite thing, but you guys can see it's holding pretty well. Plus, if you go on 15-minute time frame, let's go over it real quick. At one point, we was even above these areas, even above these candles, so it was pushing very strong. The volume was super fat on the 15-minute time frame, and you can see the reason why I entered was based on the 15-minute time frame. We were holding these EMAs, got a nice candle close above, so I'm like, okay, we're gonna push up. Even though the whole market's pulling down, I really expected Nvidia to hold itself, and in this case for the next 10 minutes didn't really hold itself, breaks down below the EMAs, and as soon as we get this fat drop, I mean, took a loss. So that's my P&L for the day, guys. $8. What can I buy with that? I don't know. It's Friday. I got no weekend money. So catch you guys on tomorrow's vlog, and I do not plan on trading anything else. I mean, everything's already gone. Have a good rest of your guys' day, and I will catch you guys on next vlog. Now, guys, be on the lookout. I'm going to be dropping some sauce videos. I'm going to be dropping my 4-year update, which is just me being honest about my personal situation where I'm in, how it went, why I quit my job, and my journey of being a 4-year option trader. So catch you guys in this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.